It's the first one I've been to. I'm liking it because, one, you're back face to face with people, which is always good, but also because you can take that day out of the business and time out of the business where you probably normally wouldn't. You're constantly on the phone, checking emails, wondering what's coming up next. You're able to have that focus and speaking to other people. It's been useful that we've all seemed to have similar goals, but how we get there is going to be slightly different depending on our business, but the foundations are all the same. So it's good to speak to people and get a different take on things. So.
Yeah, it's been really good. I mean, it's good to see that we're not the only one that needs help. I suppose that's an encouraging thing. There's quite a varied number of companies here today, so it's good to see that.
It has, it's been really nice, just the connection with different people, different businesses, but also to know that actually we're all probably facing similar challenges. So you're not alone, but you can also kind of share experiences to what everybody else is doing.
Planning is incredibly important for the process and progress as well in the business. The main thing is to set goals and to be accountable for them and actually have actions and steps towards them. Without it, it would just be an idea and hope.
Or there seem to be problems that every business owner encounters, and it's really good to talk to somebody that's either been through that or is going through it as well, whatever the problem may be, and find you're not alone. There's a way around it. It's not something to make a big monster out of, because there's a way that somebody's dealt with it before.
GrowthCLUB's brilliant. With GrowthCLUB we find it's a good time to sit back, focus, see what we've achieved from what we said we were going to achieve the last time we were here, and make plans for the future and how it's going to happen. And it's just a good way of focusing the mind, and it's one day every quarter. It's not too much to ask, and it's a good fun day out if nothing else.
It's good just being able to mix and mingle with other business owners, folk with a similar mindset who want to grow their business, who want to kind of succeed and go and take the business again to the next level.
I think it keeps you focused for a day. I think it allows you to be focused for a day without interfering activities. And I think it's good when you come down and you indirectly network with other ActionCOACH clients as well. It's good all round.